Hello. So I've received a few questions around how exactly do you do this breathing thing? What is diaphragmatic breathing? Am I supposed to be holding my breath after the inhalation or after the exhalation? How fast am I supposed to be breathing? These are all excellent questions. So today I'm going to walk you through an entire breathing exercise, and I hope you'll join me. I think this is the best way to increase your lung capacity. This exercise is called carbon dioxide tolerance training. We are slowly getting our bodies comfortable with high levels of CO2. Think of this as interval training for your lungs. There are 6 intervals. Today we're going to be holding our breath for 45 seconds. If for any reason you cannot hold your breath for that long, try 15 or 30 seconds. Our first rest interval will be for 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then reduce by 15-second increments. Are you ready? Find a comfortable spot. Laying down is going to give you the best results because your body is super relaxed. However, today I am choosing to practice seated, so have your pick. Let's get the breathing coach set up here. She is going to coach us through the entire sequence.
Breathe.
Let's focus on diaphragmatic breathing. Place your hands on your belly. Breathe in. Feel your belly going out. Breathe out. Feel your belly going in. Repeat. Remember that every day is different and every breath hold is unique, so take it as so. For improvement in breath holds, consistency is key.
Coming up, hold in 15.
Exhale that last breath. Inhale slowly to 80%.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover.
The softer and quieter your breathe ins and breathe outs, the more control you're going to have over your breath over time. Do a body scan to make sure you're not clenching or tensing any muscles anywhere. You want to be super relaxed.
Coming up, hold in 15.
Exhale that last breath. Slowly inhale to 80%.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover.
This isn't a passive process. You are very much in control over your breath. So think of this as active meditation. Do a body scan to make sure you're not tensing or clenching your muscles anywhere.
Coming up, hold in 15.
Exhale that last breath. Slowly inhale to 80%.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover.
You should never feel lightheaded. If that's happening, maybe it's because you're breathing too quickly or shallow, chest-only breaths. So focus on the belly breaths. Slow and steady wins the race.
Coming up, hold in 15.
Exhale that last breath. Slowly inhale to 80%.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover.
Pay attention inward. Looking at the clock ticking does not make this easier.
Coming up, hold in 15.
Exhale your last breath. Slowly inhale to 80%.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover. Coming up, hold in 15.
Almost there.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. recover. Extended recovery.
And there you have it. At this point, feel free to do a 2-minute recovery breathing and then a max hold attempt to see how long you can go. So hopefully I answered all of your questions in this video. If not, please feel free to write them down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.